Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to forward emails from Outlook to Gmail. So if you want to make it so all of the emails you receive on Outlook automatically get forwarded to your Gmail account, then what we need to do is first open up an internet browser and then search for the outlook.com. And here we are searching outlook.com. And make sure that you are signed in to your own account, own Outlook account. And then you have to click on the settings here, and then you have to click on the rules, and then you have to click on the add new rule. And here we can write name your rule, and we can name our rule here. So I am naming my rule as forward to Gmail. So now add a condition. You can select it from and write a Gmail. Let's say I'm writing an random email account. So here in the email account, from now all the emails that will come from this xyz@gmail.com will directly forwarded to your Gmail account. So if you want to take all the messages that you need, I mean all the inboxes, then you have to click on the apply to all messages, and then you have to click on the add an action in the third step, and you have to select the forward to here, and then select the email that you would like to get forwarded those messages from Outlook. So that's how you can easily forward your email and forward your messages to your Gmail account, and then you have to click on the save, and then it will most likely to forward it to all the messages to your Gmail account. Thank you very much for watching this video.